There are many compound bow products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best compound bows from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Diamond Atomic Bow. Rating 4.4. We didn't cut any corners with the Atomic from Diamond Archery. It delivers all the engineering of an adult bow in a youth size. Leave the plastic longbows and start your archer with the Atomic 1.9 pounds mass weight bow. Many bows for kids require a new cam or module to adjust the draw length. With the Atomic rotating modules, you simply remove the module screws, adjust anywhere from 12 to 24 inch, retighten, and they are set. Premium construction. This bow for young archers is crafted of high-quality, lightweight, and tough materials. The Atomic features an all-aluminum riser, aluminum cams, and the best strings and cables to provide you with confidence in accuracy and durability. Number 4. Creative XP Compound Bow. Rating 4.4. The Glass Harrier Compound Bow Kit is produced by Creative XP, a family-owned business based in New York. Creative XP designed the most efficient compound bow for hunting or archery. The cams and modules are 100% aluminum with zero plastic to ensure full safety and lifetime durability, while the high-end strings will squeeze all the speed out of every shot. The Creative XP right-handed hunting bow is 100% adjustable for adults, youth, and teens without going to a bow shop. The Gordon limbs are made in the USA, and they provide unmatched power and consistency for all skill levels. The Creative XP Glass Harrier bow is packaged tightly to prevent any damage, and all the accessories included are compatible with all compound bows. Number 3. Sanlida Archery Compound Bow. Rating 4.4. Ready to Hunt Compound Bow Pro package comes with a 5-pin sight, an arrow rest and a stabilizer, a wrist sling, a peep sight, 12 PCS of arrows, a quiver release, an arrow puller, a bow stand, and a compound bow case. Large range of adjustable draw length 18 to 31 inch. Draw weight 0 to 70 pounds without needing a bow press. A bow for all ages and skill levels. Limited lifetime warranty on main parts after your registration within 30 days of purchase. CNC machined cams and modules with the 6061T6 aluminum. Bowstrings and cables are made of BCY D97, imported from BCY USA. The Dragon X8 package includes several related accessories. If there is any issue with any accessory, please feel free to leave a message to us and we will respond within 8 hours. Number 2. Genesis Compound Bow. Rating 4.8. Archery bow and arrow set designed for right-handed users. Bow features an adjustable draw length range of 15 to 30 inches and an adjustable draw weight of 10 to 20 pounds. Bow kit includes Genesis Original Right-Handed Compound Bow, Belt Tube Quiver, Adjustable Arm Guard, 5XX75 Premium Aluminum Arrows. Built for all ages. Equipped with universal first-of-its-kind draw length and adjustable weight catering to individuals of all sizes, ages, and skill levels, making it a versatile choice for archery. Easy to use. Single cam design means no tuning problems, less recoil, greater accuracy, and less noise, allowing you to fully enjoy the simplicity and satisfaction of archery. Number 1. Compound Bow Kit. Rating 4.8. Adopt Gordon limbs, which are made in the USA and can provide unmatched power and consistency for all skill levels. The cams and modules are 100% aluminum with zero plastic to ensure full safety and lifetime durability, while the high-end strings will squeeze all the speed out of every shot. This right-handed hunting compound bow will be held in your left hand. Pull the strings with your right hand and determine the arrow with your right eye to achieve the perfect aim. Perfect for outdoor hunting / target shooting training practice / competition sport games, bow fishing hunting. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.